Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a beginner's Modern Jive clip showing you how to do a routine of 4 moves. The 4 moves we're going to do this time are a push spin into a catapult, into a side to side, and a half windmill. The idea is you've learned those 4 moves already because they're up as separate clips. So all we're doing today is talking about putting them together into a routine. So that looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. R1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. That's it. So let's think about how that goes together. First off, the push spin. Starts off man's left, lady's right. We go back, we come in flat, we get spin. Now we're thinking ahead. Catapult, right-handed move, so we're going to catch in the right, and it starts in a return direction, so we don't want to do it after a return, we want to do it instead of a return. So as we send the lady back, we're going to do our prep for the catapult by getting out of the way to our left, fellas. So now we can do our catapult. We can go sweep, lean to the side, spin. Now the next move is a side to side, so we're going to catch in the left hand, and we could go straight to the side to side here because that little twist is in a return direction, or we could do the return. I'm going to say we're going to do the return today. So we're going to go round and step back. We're not going to be making our partners dizzy by now doing our side to side. So in we go, in 1 and out, remembering to square up as you come back, in 2, and actually we're going to use this next count to set up our half windmill. So as we go back, guys, we're going to switch to the right hand and move left, and now it's straight into the half windmill, and we go right over the lady, left over the lady, we step back left to right, perfect to go back into the push spin. So let's put the numbers on it. So we go back 1, flat 2, spin 3, prep the catapult 4, sweeping 5, leaning 6, to the side 7, spinning 8, catching 1, returning 2, back 3 side to side, in 4, face 5, in 6, prep 7, sweeping 8, 1, and face 2. And of course, if you want to now go back into your push spin, you're flat on 3. And that's where we're going to stop. So let's do it all together and end in our prep for the push spin. Here we go. 5, a 6, a push, spin. We go a back, flat, spin, prep the catapult. We go sweep, lean to the side, spin, catch in the left, return side to side. We come in and out, in, prep the half windmill. We go right up, left up, and then it's just flat for the push spin, and you're ready to go again. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves. We'll be back next time with another beginner Modern Jive routine. And of course, if you've hit this point with your beginners, you're probably ready to go on and start at least taking a look at some of the core intermediate stuff. And before long, you never know, you'll even make it onto the intermediate playlist. Have a good time out there with your dancing and stay safe. I hope you've enjoyed learning some Modern Jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance Modern Jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.